everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today is all about the hashtag Sock It To Me Challenge 2022, which Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits and I are do our challenge for this year to make a pair of socks every month. And I finished my socks for April. So there we go, they're my socks. I still need to block them, but yeah, these are for me actually, guys, these are for me. So I've got these, and I want to thank Ingrid, Melissa, Amy and for sharing their socks, which will be at the end of this video, for sharing their socks with us, and their links to their channels will be in the description box below. And I do hope that you would consider subscribing to them, giving a thumbs up, and that would be awesome. And so yeah, so that's all done for this month, yay! But next month I've challenged myself to 2 pairs of socks, and I'm going to be using Turtle Pearl, and this is called what the heck's this one called? Crushed. And this is the way it knits up, and this is will go with it for the toe. I'm not sure whether I'll do just the toe and the cuff with this. And this is for one special friend. And then I've got this one, which is called Mystic Topaz, and this is the colour that go with it. And this is for another friend, another special friend. So I'm making 2 pairs of socks for next month. So I've got to get these hanked up and put in these hanks on the ball winder and wind them up, ready for me to start made socks. So I'm really excited to get started on these. Yay! So yeah, so I've really enjoyed, I'm really enjoying making the socks. As you all know, I'm fairly new to making socks, and they're all vanilla socks, which is why I'm using, you know, this lovely yarn. Maybe later in the year I'll start doing patterns on them, but at the moment I'm just knitting vanilla socks until I feel more comfortable. I mean, I can knit a sock straight off the top of my head, but I kind of need a bit more experience. And I was taught, I followed the Crazy Sock Lady, her vanilla sock pattern tutorial, and yeah, so I think that's all from me for today. Please stay till the end, because I'll have, as I said, I'll have Amy, Melissa, Ingrid socks there that they've made for April too. And I want to thank each and every one of you for being part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell icon so you get notifications from when I go live. And take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.